The world is full of natural wonders that seem almost too amazing to be real. From glowing waters to skies that seem to dance, these incredible sights show us just how powerful and mysterious nature can be. In this video, we're going to take you on a journey to explore some of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders that will leave you speechless. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single moment. So stay tuned until the end and make sure to hit that subscribe button. 1. Aurora Borealis, the Northern Lights celestial dance. Let's start with one of the most magical sights on Earth, the Aurora Borealis, also known as the Northern Lights. Picture this: the dark Arctic skies suddenly come alive with swirls of green, pink, and violet light, dancing and shifting like something out of a dream. But what's actually happening? It's all thanks to charged particles from the sun colliding with Earth's atmosphere. When these particles interact with the gases in the air, they create the stunning light show we know as the Northern Lights. If you ever get the chance to see them, Norway, Iceland, and Canada are some of the best places to go. But the Northern Lights are pretty unpredictable. Sometimes they show up strong and bright. Other times they're a bit more shy. That's what makes each viewing so special. No two displays are ever the same, and every sighting feels like a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Trust me, standing there under those colorful lights will leave you in complete awe, reminding you just how amazing nature truly is. 2. Bioluminescent bays, oceans that glow at night. Next up, let's get into something straight out of a fantasy novel. Bioluminescent bays. Imagine being in a calm, dark ocean when suddenly, with every splash, the water starts glowing a magical blue-green. It's like you've stepped into another world, one where the ocean lights up just for you. This enchanting glow comes from tiny organisms in the water called dinoflagellates. These microscopic creatures produce light when they're disturbed. So when you paddle a kayak or swim through the water, the movement makes them light up, creating that beautiful glow. Some of the best places to experience this phenomenon are in Puerto Rico and the Maldives, where the glow is especially bright. The whole experience feels unreal, like nature's own light show, and it's a memory you'll carry with you forever. Swimming or paddling through these glowing waters is an unforgettable way to connect with the magic of the natural world. 3. Great Migration, Africa, nature's largest wildlife movement. Next, let's travel to Africa for one of the most breathtaking wildlife spectacles on Earth, the Great Migration. Picture this: millions of wildebeest, zebras, and antelope moving together in an endless flow across the Serengeti, all in search of greener pastures. It's like nature's grand parade, stretching as far as the eye can see. This incredible journey happens every year between Tanzania and Kenya as these animals follow the rains and fresh grass. But it's not just a peaceful stroll. This migration is filled with challenges. They face hungry predators like lions and crocodiles, dramatic river crossings, and harsh terrain. Watching them charge through a river, with crocodiles lurking just beneath the surface, is heart-pounding. It's a fight for survival, and every step they take is a reminder of the raw, untamed beauty of nature. Being there, witnessing the sheer number of animals moving as one, is humbling. It's not just a sight, it's a powerful reminder of how connected and resilient life can be. If you ever get the chance to see the Great Migration, it's an experience you'll never forget. 4. Monarch Butterfly Migration, a delicate yet mighty journey. Next up is something truly magical, the monarch butterfly migration. Every year, millions of these fragile yet determined butterflies set out on an incredible journey from North America to central Mexico. It's hard to believe that such tiny creatures can travel thousands of miles, relying only on instincts passed down through generations. It's like they're following an invisible map in the sky. When they finally arrive in Mexico, the sight is breathtaking. Entire trees become blanketed in vibrant orange and black as the butterflies gather in dense clusters to rest for the winter. The air fills with a gentle fluttering as thousands of wings move in harmony. It's as if the forest has been transformed into a living, breathing masterpiece. What's even more fascinating is how this journey spans generations. No single butterfly makes the entire trip. Each generation flies part of the way before passing the baton to the next. It's a powerful reminder of resilience. teamwork, and the wonders of nature. 5. Lake Baikal ice formations, stunning winter sculptures. Next, we travel to the heart of Siberia, where Lake Baikal turns into a magical icy paradise every winter. In the frozen winters of Siberia, Lake Baikal turns into a magical icy wonderland. The lake's clear ice transforms into beautiful shapes, jagged crystal-like shards, delicate bubbles, and deep blue cracks that look like glass sculptures. It's like walking on nature's art gallery, with every step revealing something amazing. Adventurers and photographers from all over the world visit to capture this surreal, otherworldly beauty. Lake Baikal in winter is truly a masterpiece of nature. 6. Mount Roraima, South America, a lost world on a plateau. Then there comes Mount Roraima, which is like stepping into another world. This flat-topped mountain sits at the meeting point of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, rising high above the rainforest. Most of the time, it's wrapped in clouds, making it look like it's floating in the sky. No wonder it inspired Sir Arthur Conan Doyle to write his famous novel, The Lost World. What makes Mount Roraima even more special is its untouched beauty. It feels like nature's secret garden, hidden away from the rest of the world. For adventurers and nature lovers, exploring Mount Roraima is like walking into a magical land frozen in time. 7. Spotted Lake, Canada, a colorful mineral wonderland. Next up is Spotted Lake in British Columbia, a place that looks like it's been painted by nature itself. During the hot summer months, the water in the lake starts to evaporate, and as it does, it leaves behind mineral-rich pools that are like little colorful puddles scattered across the surface. The minerals, like calcium, magnesium, and sodium, turn each pool into a different color. Some are bright green, while others are yellow, blue, or even purple. This creates an incredible polka dot pattern that's unlike anything else in the world. But what makes this lake even more special is the deep cultural significance it holds for the indigenous Okanagan people, who consider it sacred. So not only is it a visual masterpiece, but it's also a place full of history and meaning. 8. Moonbow, Kentucky, a rare nighttime rainbow. Next, let's talk about something really magical, the moonbow. This rare nighttime rainbow happens when the light from the moon passes through water droplets in the air, just like a regular rainbow does with sunlight. But here's the twist. It's way fainter, usually appearing in soft shades of white or pale blue, which makes it look almost ghostly. One of the best places to see a moonbow is at Cumberland Falls in Kentucky, where everything lines up perfectly for this incredible sight. The conditions there are just right, with enough mist from the waterfall and clear skies to let the moon's light create this ethereal arc across the night sky. Seeing a moonbow feels like stepping into a dream. It's a rare and surreal experience that makes you feel like you're witnessing something otherworldly. 9. Sailing stones, Death Valley, rocks that move on their own. Next, let's head to Death Valley in California, where something truly mysterious happens. The sailing stones. These rocks seem to move across the dry lake bed, leaving long trails behind them. It's a sight that has baffled people for years, and at first, many thought it might be some kind of supernatural force at work. But now, scientists believe it's a natural phenomenon. On cold nights, thin layers of ice form on the lake bed, and when the wind blows, it helps the rocks slide slowly across the surface. Despite all the research, no one has ever actually witnessed the stones moving in real time. The trails the rocks leave behind are eerie, almost like a clue to a puzzle we can't quite solve. The whole area, known as the Racetrack Playa, feels like a strange and silent mystery. It's one of those places that leaves you in awe, making you wonder about the hidden forces of nature at play. 10. Blue Hole, Belize, a submarine sinkhole of astonishing depth. Finally, let's talk about the Great Blue Hole in Belize, one of nature's most stunning mysteries. This massive, circular submarine sinkhole is known for its deep, vibrant blue color, standing out against the lighter blue waters surrounding it. At a depth of about 125 meters, it's a jaw-dropping sight that feels like a doorway into another world. Divers from all over the globe visit the Blue Hole to explore its underwater caves and limestone formations. The sheer size of it is overwhelming. So, there you have it. Some of nature's most mind-blowing wonders that you really have to see to believe. From the dancing lights of the northern lights to the mysterious moving rocks in Death Valley, these natural phenomena show just how powerful and incredible our planet can be. Each one is a reminder of how much there is to discover, from magical, glowing waters to the jaw-dropping depths of the blue hole. And if you want more amazing stories about the wonders of the world, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.